How to get new emojis on Android. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can get new emojis using your Android phone. So let's get into it. So first of all, what you need to do is you can actually open up your keyboard and it will show you, you can go to the emoji section and it will show you the what kind of emoji you have. Probably if you have an Android, your Android phone will have your default company keyboard. If you have a Samsung, if you have any other company's keyboard, so they will have their own default keyboard, and sometimes we don't find the emojis that we have, generally the G board emojis. So how to get a lot of different emojis like this? For that, you will have to go to your settings. So open up the settings of your phone, and now we can actually save time and just search at the top. We can search for keyboards. So it will take us to language and input of our phone. So here you can see we have virtual keyboards. You're gonna select this option. And now you will find different types of keyboard here. On our Android phone, we can not only have one keyboard, we can actually switch between our keyboards really easily. So from here, you can actually switch to the G board right here, which is the Google keyboard that has a lot of emojis and the basic emojis that we use on WhatsApp and other applications as well. Then we also have the manage keyboard here that allows me to select and unselect different boards. So this is how you can actually get different emojis. And even if you wanna, the company keyboard offers you more emojis, you can switch to that one. So it totally depends on you what kind of keyboard you want, but you can get the emojis with the keyboard. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.